Hi everyone, welcome. It's Jill Foster here for Penny Black, and I'm popping in with a different type of video, more of a real-time but recorded crafty ramble and inspiration sharing of Penny Black's newest release. All right, hi everyone. You'll have to let me know in the comments section if you enjoy this type of video. It's definitely something new to me, so thanks in advance for your patience with me too. So Penny Black's newest release features 5 new sentiment sets in Penny Black's beautiful, unique, and really useful style of sentiments. Then to accompany those sentiments, we also have 5 new edge or die cut sets. This time it includes 2 styles of words. And these products can be used with whatever style of card making you love, from cute critters to elegant florals, and everything in between. But if you love cute critters, we also have 5 classic critter stamp sets that match up perfectly with each sentiment theme. Oh, and cutout dies for everything to make life easy. So since we have 5 new sentiment themes, I thought I would make for you 5 videos, each concentrating on one of these themes and just sort of like unboxing all of the fun and inspiration. I'll share with you the products included as well as lots of card ideas for each. And be sure you stay tuned here at the end of the video as I have information about a free PDF download, which puts all of this inspiration in one place for you. So let's start first, as you can see, with the sentiment theme of adventure. So first, let's take a look at the sentiment stamp set. So I'm just going to grab that here. Okay, so here is that new stamp set. Let's see if I can get the camera focused on it. As you can see, mine is well loved. But let's take a look at these sentiments. We've got life is one big adventure. May yours be filled with wonder and wild joy. Here's to writing the next great story, one adventure at a time. Wishing you courage for the adventure and joy in every twist and turn. Here's to your next great adventure. Go boldly and joyfully. Here's to getting lost in all the best ways. Go where the Wi-Fi is weak and your spirit is strong. And retirement, when every day is Saturday and every moment is a chance to explore. So these sentiments are really great for lots of different types of cards, like retirement cards, encouragement when we get twists and turns from life, new beginnings, new chapters, even outdoor, summer, spring type cards. And I also think these lend themselves really nicely for masculine cards. And I'm going to show you some masculine card ideas coming up. I also wanted to mention that this sentiment set also comes with, and as you can see, mine has been used, but it also comes with cutout dies. So you can stamp these sentiments and then cut them out, which makes it really easy to use them on your cards. And I'll show you that when we get to my cards. Now this is the Adventure Edger. I'm just going to move this here. And our edger dies are really popular, and what I love about them is it's kind of like they just make the card for you. So I cut some so you can get a really good look at these. So what it's going to come with is you're going to see, looks like just a squiggly line, but that's actually going to cut the edge. Then this time you're getting 2 word dies, and I love the addition of the second one. I used it a lot. So here's the script word, and it goes right with that edger. Then you're also going to get one in block letters. This does not work with the edger, but what I love about this is all the letters are connected down by like a line on that, and it'll make more sense when you actually see it on the cards. But what that means is you don't have to glue each letter individually. It's just going to pop out as one piece for your cards. Now the edger part, you can put these fit a standard size card, so 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. So if you had a standardized card panel like I have here, you can put this edger anywhere on that card, as long as you leave room for the word down here. You wouldn't want to do it like that. Anywhere on that card, and run it through your die cutting machine, and you're going to get pieces that look like this or like this. So you can see this was placed higher on the standardized card. This one was placed lower. And then your script word will fit right up into that edge. So you can get a look there of how that fits. Then this piece you can add to your card, and this is just, there's so many different ways that you can do this. I think this makes a great sort of hill for critters or to tuck flowers or birds into, or die cuts. If you do it a little bit higher on the card, again, your script word is going to fit right up into that edge. And then you could have like a design stamp down here and have just a little bit up here. Or you can have a little critter like peeking out up there at the top. And then that sentiment set that I showed you is going to work so beautifully and perfectly with this larger word, or with the secondary one that comes in this stamp set. So just so you get an idea for size, and maybe for my next video I'll cut one of these from colored cardstock. This is how that fits. It's just so perfect on a standard size card that you can fit that on there. Another thing I really like with the larger sentiment that you can use with the edger, this is actually sized really nicely to also work on a 5x7 card. So the edger piece, that's not going to fit on a 5x7. It's made for a standard size card. But the word by itself fills up and fits really nicely on, this is a 5x7. So you can really get a lot of use out of this one sentiment die cut set, the Adventure Edger, especially too when you combine it with the sentiment set I showed previously. Let me go ahead and clear off my desk here, and I will show you the critters next. So the sentiments stamp set and that die cut set, the Edger set, works great with really any style. But if you love Penny Black's classic critters, like you can see here, we have curated for you from our top favorite critters a set that works perfectly with the Adventure sentiment set and the Adventure Edger die cut. And you have to take a look at these. They are so cute. This guy is playing soccer. Here he's riding his bike, fishing, golfing. So like I said, this is a really nice set if you are looking for masculine card ideas, from little boys to big boys. There's also a couple sentiments on here. Adventure awaits, a new chapter begins, which I also think is very handy. So this is 31-235, Adventurous. Now there's also cutout dies for all of these. So I just want to mention, if you have some of these stamps on woodblock individually, please know these have been resized and sort of reimagined so that they can have the matching cutout dies to go with them, which I love that because it opens up so many more design possibilities. You don't have to fussy cut them. And also, these clear sets are so much easier to store, and I love the grouping of sort of like images to go with the sentiments. So I don't keep my stamps and stuff in anything fancy, just an envelope. And after I've used the cutout die, which you can see I've used all of them, also the cutouts are there for the sentiments too, which I think is so nice. Just a nice little bonus if you wanted to cut out these sentiments as well. But once I've used mine, I just keep them in the paper. I ran it through, and you can see I had a little tape, ran it through my die cutting machine, popped out my image, and then these are just what I keep in an envelope with my stamp set. So lots of fun things. We've got the Adventure Sentiment set, the Adventure Edger, and this Adventurous Critter set. So now let me show you the cards that I've made featuring these. Okay, time for the extra fun part, the cards. So here you can see I've got that adorable critter riding on the bike. I was able to use the cutout die so I could pop it right up. Here's a look at that Adventure Edger. It's so great. It's like a little hill for him to ride up. All I did on this background was just very subtle stamping. There's the sentiment from that Adventure stamp set. And I popped in a few floral die cuts and the card was complete. Just so fun. Like I said, that Adventure edger is so nice for critter stamps. Now, this is my favorite card that I made with this set. And here I've got that other adventure word from the Adventure Edger. You can see what I was talking about, where all those letters are connected. So no gluing of individual pieces, just one piece to glue on. So handy. Also, these are all standard size cards, just to give you an idea for sizing. And this is designed, so if you like to use the stitched edgers like I do, it's still going to fit and not cover any of that up. And I love this sentiment, go where the Wi-Fi is weak and your spirit is strong. And as you can see, these are designed to match up with that curated critter set for you. So it's just so fun and so easy to make cards with these different sets. So here is that one. Here is another card with these sets. I've added that hedgie to our frame. Again, so easy with the cutout dies. Nice one for a retirement card. And again, also these are so nice for masculine cards. So I kept the color scheme on all of these, sort of a masculine color scheme. You could switch it up for whatever suits your recipients the best, but I just wanted to show that these are really nice to have. And you could even switch out that sentiment for a birthday sentiment, same thing on the fishing one, or for summer, or beginning of spring season, finally getting out to go fishing, or a bike for a birthday. So just really nice set if you're making cards for boys or men in your life. Then here we've got another, grab it here. So I've just, again, so simple. You can kind of see these two follow a similar sketch where I just popped up one of those hedgies with a frame in the background that has the sentiment, and then just a little stamping down at the bottom. So simple cards, but those hedgies are so cute. These critters, there's nothing better. And so this set is so fun. Also that you're getting, 4 focal points just in one set like that. So this little guy's headed out to play soccer. Now, if critters aren't your thing, first I would tell you, I used to say that a long time ago too, till I started making critter cards and I realized how fun it was to make them. But if they aren't, I also wanted to show you, you can use these same die cut sentiments as well as the stamp sentiments with other types of images. So they aren't so cutesy fonts or styles that you can't mix and match with different types of images. So here I've used that Adventure Edger. I just popped it up a little bit, and this stamping is flat onto the card with a little die cut down there at the bottom. So again, also could be used for a masculine card. That's another nice thing about this bird stamp. Now here I did something a little bit different with this die cut word. I trimmed it apart so I could sort of stack up those words. And I also think this is a nice sentiment with our paintbrush stamp set. And I'll list everything for you that I've used on all these cards. I'll tell you about that in just a minute here. But an adventure, crafting can definitely be an adventure. Making art can definitely be an adventure. So fun way to send cards to crafty buds. And then again, like I said, we have the cutout dies for everything. So this is when I especially am so grateful to have a cutout die for a sentiment is, I'm trying to see if you can see that on camera, but this is an embossed background. And I would never be able to stamp that sentiment onto that embossed background. But here I can stamp it and cut it out with the cutout dies and layer it wherever I want on the card. So you can see here, we've got critter cards, more elegant cards, and even a card with a die cut, all featuring that adventure theme. I'm going to clear off my desk and I'll be right back. So I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we would have a free PDF download, and here is the info on that. It's actually, I've printed it. Look at this. It's pages and pages of inspiration. Of course, it's digital, so if you don't print, no big deal. You can download it and keep it digitally on your device. But this is a card making book featuring the cards that I'm showing you in this video and in the future videos. And what's really nice, it kind of gives you some ideas for what you can use those themed sentiments for. And then it's just going to show you a really nice picture of that card, like I've shown you in the video. And then right down below, it has exactly what was penny black stamps and die cuts that were used on the card. So if you see anything in the video and you want that, you can easily look that up in the free PDF download. We'll also have it on our other sites like our blog as well. So you can see these are all those adventure cards I just showed you, and this is a free download. Really nice to have if you're just looking for, even if you aren't creating with these products, just inspiration for card layouts and ideas. And then another thing is, it is an inspiration for the color scheme. So you can tell I kind of kept with a similar color scheme for each of these adventure cards on a more masculine type of color scheme. So these were all painted with our penny black liquid watercolor inks, the main focal points were. And so the overall color scheme, what ink colors were used, are listed here. I also have listed the colors for each of the critters too. And I will show you in a minute here, I do have a video on how to paint these critters. They're super, super easy to paint. And when we made our liquid watercolor inks, we ensured that we would have easy colors to use to paint these critters. So if you haven't painted them before, these are like the easiest painting, in my opinion, that you could do. So let me go ahead and again, clear off my desk, and I'll be right back with a couple more things. Okay, so like I said, I did have a video that I made on how to paint these classic penny black critters. And so I'll try and link that for you, or make sure you visit our YouTube channel. And if you get this free PDF download, all of this is has a QR code for you. So you can either scan it on your screen with your phone, or you can print it out and scan it and get right to these different things. So this video will have a QR code here. The other thing, if you are shopping on our online store, which I will link for you, right up here, this is just a screenshot of the landing screen for that. Right up here is where you can put any of those product numbers in and easily find them. Also check out our blog where we will do that linking for you, so you can just click on those as well. So I am so glad that you joined me today. Be sure that you comment and you like this post or video. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure that you're subscribed so you see the next sentiment theme and card ideas. And also, if you want to see this whole collection right now, so all of the cards, all of the new products, I'll link that for you so that you can view everything and shop. They're all available now. So thanks so much for joining me today for a little informal, crafty chat and share, and I will see you very soon. Bye!